Hello, good morning students. In this video, I am going to solve the MCQs, that is multiple choice questions, chapter 1 to chapter 6. Question is, tick the correct option. The joint in the shoulders is an example of a hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, gliding joint. The correct option is ball and socket joint. The framework of bones that protects our heart and lungs is known as the spinal cord, skull, rib cage, pivot joint. Rib cage. The correct option is rib cage. Light enters the eyes through the pupil, cornea, retina, iris. The correct option is pupil. The part of the ear which helps in maintaining balance of our body is external ear, eardrum, middle ear, inner ear. The correct option is inner ear. Now the MCQs chapter 2. The small baby plant coming out of a seed is known as the grain, stomata, root, seedling. The correct option is seedling. The process by which a plant makes its own food is called photosynthesis, germination, reproduction, dispersal. The correct option is photosynthesis. Which of these plants has only one cotyledon? Gram, pea, wheat, bean. The correct option is wheat. For the proper germination, a seed needs water only, just the right temperature, air only, water, air, as well as the appropriate temperature. The correct option is water, air, as well as the appropriate temperature. Now, next question. Lotus seeds are dispersed mainly through insects, birds, air, water. The correct option is water. Now, the next question. MCQ chapter 3. The leaf used to make disposable plates is the dash, tendu leaf, areca nut leaf, amla leaf, brahmi leaf. The correct option is tendu leaf. Deforestation results in soil erosion, floods, low rainfall, all the above. The correct option is all the above. Beeswax is used to make spices, varnish, medicine, adhesive. The correct option is medicine. Now the next question. Which of the following is not a forest product? Gum, timber, ashwagandha, kerosene. The correct option is kerosene. If forests disappear, the amount of carbon dioxide in air will decrease. Oxygen in air will increase. Carbon dioxide in air will increase. Nitrogen in air will increase. The correct option is carbon dioxide in air will increase. Now the next question, that is MCQ chapter 4. A delicacy made from the unfertilized eggs of a variety of fish is the kasturi, caviar, pashmina, tusk. The correct option is caviar. Which of these animals is extinct? Bactrian camel, golden lion, quagga, panda. The correct option is quagga. The body part of rhinoceros for which it is often hunted by humans is bones, horns, legs, skin. The correct option is horns. Now next question. Humans are destroying habitat of animals by planting trees, reducing water pollution, controlling wildlife trade, cutting down trees. The correct option is cutting down trees. Which of the following food chain is correct? Leaves, frog, snake, grains, hen, man, acorn, rat, eagle, plant, jackal, lion. The correct option is grains, hen, man. Next question, that is MCQ chapter 5. Hemoglobin content becomes less when a person is suffering from goiter, rickets, anemia, beriberi. The correct option is anemia. A person having swelling and bleeding gums might be suffering from rickets, scurvy, anemia, beriberi. The correct option is scurvy. Germs of common cold spread through air, water, soil, mosquitoes. The correct option is air. Now the next question. Deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates in the diet of a small child can lead to weak bones, improper growth of body, bleeding gums, bow-shaped legs. The correct option is improper growth of body. Legs become bow-shaped due to deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Correct option vitamin D. Now the next question, that is MCQ chapter 6. A natural insect repellent found in our kitchens is salt, sugar, turmeric powder, wheat flour. The correct option is turmeric powder. Dry fruits like cereals and nuts are preserved by adding salt and sugar, vacuum packing, dehydration, pasteurization. The correct option is vacuum packing. Fruits and vegetables get ripened due to the action of enzymes, bacteria, fungi, insects. The correct option is enzymes. The next question. The least perishable food item from the following is milk, biscuits, meat, curd. The correct option is biscuits. The chances of spoilage of food can be reduced by keeping the food moist, warm, at low temperatures in open containers. The correct option is at low temperatures.